Hi, I'm Lika from Echidna Sewing. Today we'll be looking at the brother gathering foot available on most brother machines. This foot allows you to gather thin fabrics with ease and can gather and join two pieces of fabric together, leaving one piece flat. To attach this foot, you will need to remove the shank. Do this by unscrewing the shank on the left side of the presser foot. Position the gathering foot in the same location as the shank and tighten the screw to secure it in place. To create the gathering, you will need to change your tension. For more gathering, have a higher tension, and for less gathering, a lower tension. When sewing, remember not to pull on your fabric, as this will undo the gathering effect. Another feature of the gathering foot is the slot in the center of the foot. This allows you to slide another piece of fabric in, which lets you attach the fabric to the piece you are gathering at the same time. And that's how you use your gathering foot.